In the meantime, the People's National Party says it's confident of victory in all the seats come October 30 when all three by-elections will take place. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has that story.
Dr. Shane Alexis, who has dubbed himself Sugar Shane, is expected to be nominated as the PNP candidate for South East St. Mary come October 9. He argues that while he is new to politics, leadership is in his DNA.
My track record stands for itself, not just as a president or former president of a trade union, but also the Medical Association of Jamaica. So I am accustomed to being in a leadership role. The responsibility of the buck stops with you is something I've been accustomed to for many years. This is just another challenge, but really the focus is to be able to serve my country. As a young professional, I think it is incumbent on me to offer myself to make the country a better place.
Dr. Alexis, the former head of the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association and then the Medical Association of Jamaica, has also coined an acronym from his name, which he says embodies his approach.
My main slogan is We Gain with Shane, S-H-A-N-E, which is my name. That's sports, health, agriculture, new economy, and education. And those have to be the core principles of any member of parliament, in my view. Member of parliament has to be for everyone, not just some people. So whatever we have available in the constituency has to be equally divided amongst all people and all four divisions.
He also responded to concerns that he is not the best fit because he was not born in Southeast St. Mary.
At the end of the day, we all feel the same things. We all bleed the same way. So hungry is hungry, whether you're in Southeast St. Mary, Kingston, or Negril. Lack of opportunity, doesn't matter where you come from. We all know what that can feel like, and that's what we have to address. Not the fact that I didn't come from Southeast St. Mary, and I can't change that. So I'm moving forward, and I hope other people will.
In the meantime, General Secretary of the PNP, Julian Robinson, says Dr. Alexis will be officially presented to voters in Southeast St. Mary on Tuesday.
We're going to do over the next 2 to 3 weeks and going into election date. So that's pretty much what we've been doing.
Mr. Robinson argues that work has been taking place in all three constituencies in which by-elections are going to be held and says party members are optimistic. He insists that the elections come at an opportune time.
The government has been in for about 18 months. There are a number of issues affecting the country. You have crime. There's been an absence of a comprehensive crime plan. The much touted tax break has imposed more taxes. So I think you're going to have a combination of local constituency specific matters, but also some national issues which are going to come to the fore.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.